Alright, this is a comparison between the KTM690, I think this is a 2018, this is a 2000 DRZ400. So this is my bike, and it's a great bike, I love it. But I would like something with a little more power and a little smoother. And looking what's out there, the only thing that does what I want and has the off-road capability is the KTM690. So I went out with my son for 3 days. We drove through the Delta in the Bay Area, down by the Sacramento River, through San Jose, up to Alice's restaurant, down the coast, and then up through wine country. Now we're back. So here's what I can tell you. It is better in every way, just like you suspect. But here's the thing that's so neat about this. This thing is probably lighter than the DRZ. Now, I never weighed them, but it sure feels lighter. The suspension is better. You have a 6-speed transmission instead of 5-speed. You have fuel injection instead of a carburetor. Although I will say, I have no problem with the carburetor on this once you do the 3x3 box mod. The only negative, well, there's probably 2 negatives to this bike, but they're really minor. Some people complain that it's a close ratio transmission, and it is, but it's got so much power. For what I'm going to do, it's not going to matter. And the pipe does get a little hot when you're in stop-and-go traffic, but I think I can live with that too. So in conclusion, they're the same weight, same size, but you get way more power and a way better bike.